Dear students, welcome to the online classes program of Higher Education Department, Punjab. It is Department of English Language and Literature of Government Postgraduate College, Attic. Here, I am Sharif Zahid, Assistant Professor of English.
Okay. Perhaps you may recall that the last week lecture was about the final match. And what were those seconds? Those 24 seconds are called sacred seconds. And today we shall enjoy all those sacred seconds. In the last lecture, we have reached up to the point where the writer says that the sacred 24 seconds were begun. Unless he could win through before the last one was over, he was lost. Now, who is he? As I have told you in the last lecture as well, he is the sun. So, everybody was watching curiously this final tussle between the sun and the clouds. And it was foretold that this shall remain for 24 seconds. Unless he could win through before the last one was over, he was lost. Still, one felt him tearing and racing. Even then, the sun went behind the clouds, but we saw that the sun is trying, tearing those clouds and racing behind the clouds to win free, to get freedom. But the clouds held him. No, the clouds were thick enough. They did not allow him to go out. They spread. The clouds spread. They thickened. They slackened. They made the speed of the sun more slow. They muffled his speed. They covered the sun from all around, like that of a muffler. In the cold season, we cover our neck through a muffler. It is muffled. On the 24 seconds now, after 24 seconds, only 5 remained. It means the game of 19 seconds was over now, and still he was obscured. The sun was not visible. Rather, it has gone out of sight, and the only 5 seconds are left. And as the fatal seconds passed, these last 5 seconds, the writer says that they were very difficult one. That is why she used the word fatal, dangerous. And we realized that the sun was being defeated. And we, the spectators, reached at the conclusion that now the sun is being defeated, had now indeed lost the race, and finally the sun will accept, and all the color began to go from the moor, and even everywhere it was darkness. Nothing was left. The blue turned to purple, means there was no differentiation between the blue color or the purple color or the white. The white became livid, and at the approach of a violent but windless storm, and we were expecting that now there would be a thunder and storm and everything would come to an end. Pink faces went green. Everybody was frightened, and it became colder than ever. We felt that we are suffering from bitter cold. This was the defeat of the sun, and this was all, as we thought, this was all turning in disappointment. Because if the sun stands defeated, so it was the defeat of all its worshippers or lookers on who were gathered at a hill. So it was turning in disappointment from the dull cloud blanket in front of us to the moors behind, means everybody saw. Everybody witnessed that defeat. They were livid, they were purple, but suddenly one became aware that something more was about to happen, but we did not lose our expectations. We were rather optimistic that something will happen, and something unexpected, awful, unavoidable. We don't know where from that help will come, but will come. The shadow, growing darker and darker over the moor, was like the heeling over of a boat as one is voyaging on the ocean and the boat bends over one side only, which instead of righting itself at the critical moment turns a little further, and when it turns further and then a little further on its side means we are in the grip of certain danger and suddenly capsizes. Will turtle will come to an end. So the light turned and heeled over and went out, and finally we saw there was no light. So we thought this was the end of life, the end of everything. The flesh and blood of the world was dead. Who is the flesh and blood of the world? Means all the source of life. The sun stands as the flesh and blood of the world. Only the skeleton was left. Means there is no life. Now it is just a skeleton only. It hung beneath us, a frail shell. So now the peak of the sun was like a skeleton, weaker shell, brown, dead, withered. Then, with some trifling moment, this profound obscience of the light, this stooping down and abasement of all subplungers were over. It means these last 5 seconds were the seconds of any type of insult we felt over there or disappointment we were thinking about. So after these last 5 seconds from 19 to 24, that was you may say the period of hopelessness, and after these 5 seconds were over, lightly on the other side of the world up it rose. So the sun rose in another direction. It sprang up as if the one moment after a second tremendous pause completed the other, means with the passage of time, one after the other, it was emerging brighter and brighter, and the light which had died here rose again everywhere. That light which has gone finished, and there was darkness everywhere. Now the darkness was going and light was coming back. Never was there such a sense of rejuvenance. We felt ourselves as enjoying, feeling life in our bodies and recovery. All the convalescence and respites of life seemed rolled into one. So we saw that we have recovered. We come back to life, yet at first so light and frail and strange the color was. But very soon we saw that the colors were in a weaker form, that it seemed as if the earth could never live decked out, as the earth was never decorated in such frail tints. It hung beneath us like a cage, like a hoop, like a globe of glass. Means also the colors restored, but they were weaker, having no attraction. So it might be blown out, and we were thinking that it will dim once again. It might be stolen, but steadily and surely our relief broadened, and we regained, and our confidence established itself as the great paint brush washed in woods dark on the valley, as some painter is now making a valley and massed hills blue above them. The world became more and more solid. So our that hopelessness vanished, and we saw, yes, it became populous, that the world is restoring itself. People are there, It became a place where an infinite number of farmhouses, of villages, of railway lines, and lodgements means we saw, of course. Everything is there until the whole fabric of civilization was modeled and molded. We saw that once again all that civilization came back, but still the memory endured that the earth was stand on is made of color. Color can be blown out. Then we saw that if we are habitual to the life of the earth, it is because the earth is full of so many colors, and then we stand on a dead leaf. If it goes colorless, then it loses its attraction, and we who tread the earth securely now have seen it dead. So we can say that we are the people who saw this life dead as well and then restoring life as well. I hope you might have enjoyed these 24 seconds. Please go through it, revise this lesson again and again, and you will enjoy it. Thank you very much. Happy watching and patient listening. Stay blessed.